Good Guy swap meet out here in Dallas, Texas. A couple of years ago, approximately a year and a half ago, maybe a year ago, me and Norm kind of went partners on buying a Street Beast 1934 Ford Cabriolet car. You can see that right back there. Our intentions were that we were going to build a body on roller, possibly maybe build the whole car. But I'm moving to Moab, Utah, and I got to get shit done in my shop. I got to get everything done that I can in my shop. So we actually put it up for sale on Craigslist. It's been on Craigslist for approximately, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. A lot of people calling. Okay, hold on a minute. Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going, Norm! Keep going, Norm! Whoa! Right there! Alright, for everybody that doesn't know, Norm thinks he's like the, you know, Mopar guru out here. You can see fenders he's got for sale, and let's look at his trailer just for a quick second, see what's going on. I see a lot of Mopar stuff. This is basically all Mopar stuff. We got a couple Mustang items here, maybe some Chevy parts, but what you're looking at here is a swapper's dream of goodies. This is a swapper's trailer dream of goodies. Transmissions, taillights, headlights, hoods, trunks, just whatever you can think that is swappable and not throwawayable. We got springs, okay? Anybody out there needs some springs, call Norm. All right, Nitpick will be able to sell. We got some heads over here. Okay, I don't know what they go to, but I guarantee you Norm will be able to tell you the numbers on those, what size engine they go on, and the accuracy of, I better get out of here before he pulls that, there we go. We don't want him to pull the trailer up and I'm standing inside there and flip backwards. But, so he's gonna fill this whole area up with all his goodies that you can see behind me. And then once again, we got the Street Beast 34 Ford Cabriolet convertible for sale. And we're hoping to sell it. That's the situation we got. We're hoping to get rid of that thing and hopefully, you know, make a buck that my friend Pete can use. You know, a situation arose, we helped the guy out and we can't finish it. We can't finish it, so we're gonna sell it. All right, what's up now, Norm?
All right, now I'm ready to set up.
Okay, did you nitpick it down?
Yes, I did.
Did you get the tape measures out and measure everything and make sure that, you know, everything's a square deal?
I did.
Okay, you got more space here than a fucking acre of land, guy.
Well,
You can't complain now, Norm.
I got more shit in here than
Okay, now is this your space up here too, or?
No.
So he actually sold that?
He sold that and that.
Okay, well you better get your marker out and make sure it's 25. I'd hate to have you put all this shit here and you're 4 feet over the line.
Your trailer's 18.
Okay. So if he sold this space telling the guy that was 25 feet, this guy's screwed. Because I'm 18 feet right here, so 25 feet's about where? Right here? Maybe about right in here.
7 feet past that, you're
Okay, so if he sold this space as a 25-foot space, guess what? That guy is gonna be pissed off. So anyway, we're gonna take a chance and see if we can sell this thing. I don't know if it's gonna happen. We'll be back later. I'm probably gonna come back out here with Norm and hang out, but you know, I really hate to see it go. I really do. But you know, the situation is we don't have time, Norm. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you, Pete.
We don't have time, dude. I know you'd like to nitpick it down and build the car and, you know, chisel your way through a situation as the Street Beast convertible, but we just don't have time, okay, dude?
It's all right.
Are we gonna go get something to eat before you start unloading?
I guess we can.
You know, Buc-ee's is right down the road there, guy. We can go to Buc-ee's, okay? We can go to Buc-ee's and get something to eat.
Buc-ee's.
Then let's go somewhere. All right, Norm? Let's go somewhere, and then we'll come back and negotiate and see what we're gonna do. All right? About the situation.
All brand new suspension right here.
What do you got, bud? Tell everybody what's going on.
Brand new suspension.
I can't hear you when your head's turned, Norm.
Brand new suspension.
For what?
64 Chevelle.
A 64 Chevelle,
64,
brand new?
65, new springs.
So we got brand new springs, brand new upper control arms.
Brand new lowers.
That doesn't look brand new, Norm.
It is. It was put on the car and the guy never drove it.
You're telling me if that's brand new?
He took it all off and put Hotchkiss on it.
Okay, what do you got here? Brand new gearbox?
Brand new gearbox, yeah.
Wow. Well, good luck on that, Norm. Good luck, buddy.
Deal for somebody.
I just want to sell the Street Beast car, dude. That's all I want to do, is sell the Street Beast car.
It even comes with the sway bar.
Comes with a sway bar?
Yep.
Okay, Norm. I don't think anybody out in YouTube land's gonna want to buy that, so, you know.
That's all right. They don't have to buy it.
Somebody will buy it. Put a sign on this one here and say brand new suspension.
I've got a sign made up.
I figured you did, buddy. Being the nitpick guy that you are. Let's go get something to eat, dude. I'm starving, Norm. So here you go, Swapping USA right here at Good Guys International Car Show in Dallas, Texas. And we're gonna try to get rid of this thing. Norm's gonna be here all weekend. Hopefully he's gonna sell it. We're gonna be able to split the money and make some money. And I might even make some money delivering it, because I told Norm, I said delivery available. I think I got that on there right there, it is. Delivery available, so maybe I can make some money delivering it. And just maybe you might be the lucky guy that actually bought this car, and you might watch all my videos on YouTube that shows you how to build your Street Beast car at home in your garage. I gotta go, it's getting windy, and take it easy. We'll see you later.
This guy worked for O'Reilly's.
Uh-huh.
Everything's brand new, shocks and everything. He bought.
Why are you trying to sell it to me, Norm?
I'm not.
I don't need it, Norm. I don't have a 66 Chevelle, Norm.
65, 64.
Okay, 64 sit. Maybe somebody will buy it. It looks like a good setup there. It looks like you got it displayed. Really, really nice, guy.
Upper control, upper and lower.
Yes, I see that. There's the uppers, there's the lowers, there's the springs. We got it, Norm. We got it, guy.
There's all the drag link.
Oh my God.
Brand new everything, man.
Let's see, bud. Is that all brand new too?
It's all brand new.
Wow, it looks brand new, Norm. It looks beautiful.
It's all
It looks brand. It looks like it's never been used. I see all the black paint on it still.
Never been used.
Wow. Wow.
Brand new. He put Hotchkiss on his car. Took
Okay.
all this, put it all on brand new, took it right off.
It's amazing.
Crazy.
It's shocking.
Crazy.
Shocking,
Crazy.
shocking, Norm.
Crazy, man. Crazy. These guys are crazy.
Now we know. Now we know.